Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we're going to help you talk about your day in English.
Yes, this is one of the most useful topics for beginners. You can use it at school, at work, in conversations, or when meeting new people.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk clearly and confidently about your daily routine.
So relax, get comfortable, and let's begin. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Let's start with the morning. A simple way to begin is, I wake up at 7 a.m. You can also say, I wake up early, or I wake up late on weekends. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7.
After you wake up, you get out of bed. You can say, I get out of bed and stretch. Or, I get out of bed slowly because I'm still sleepy.
Next, you usually brush your teeth. Say, I brush my teeth, and I wash my face.
Many people take a shower in the morning. You can say, I take a quick shower, or I take a long shower when I have time.
After showering, you get dressed. For example, I get dressed for work, or I get dressed for school.
Now let's talk about breakfast. You can say, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m., or I usually eat eggs and toast, or sometimes I skip breakfast.
Then it's time to leave the house. Say, I go to work, or I go to school. You can also say, I drive to work, I take the bus, or I walk to school.
Let's move to the afternoon. You can say, I start work at 9 a.m., or I start my classes at 8:30. Simple versions are, I work in the morning, or I study in the morning.
Here are some useful work and study sentences. I answer emails. I have meetings. I study English. I take notes.
Now it's lunchtime. You can say, I eat lunch at noon, or I eat lunch at 12:30. You can also say, I eat a sandwich, I eat rice and chicken, or I eat salad.
After lunch, you continue your day. You can say, I go back to work, or I go back to class. You can also say, I finish work at 5 p.m., or I finish school at 3 p.m.
After a long day, it's time to go home. Say, I go home at 5 o'clock, or I get home around 6 p.m.
Then you relax. Say, I relax on the couch, or I watch TV to relax.
Now let's talk about dinner. You can say, I make dinner at 7 p.m. Or you can say, I cook pasta, or I eat dinner with my family.
Evening is also a great time for hobbies. You can say, I read a book, I watch a movie, I play video games, or I go for a walk.
At the end of the day, you get ready for bed. You can say, I brush my teeth again, or I wash my face.
Finally, you go to sleep. Say, I go to bed at 10 p.m., or I fall asleep quickly, or I stay up late on weekends. Now let's put everything together. Listen carefully. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. I eat breakfast and go to work. In the afternoon, I work, eat lunch, and finish work at 5 p.m. In the evening, I go home, relax, make dinner, and watch TV. I go to bed at 10 p.m. That is my daily routine.
Now try making your own paragraph using the sentences from this video.
Thank you for learning with us today. We hope this lesson helps you talk about your daily routine in English.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up? We would love to read your answers.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.